Tinger! Yeah! What's up, guys? Yeah. So to make a video, I got some beers to chug here. I'm gonna do some shotguns, and this one's called Shotguns and Shoutouts because I'm shotgunning and I'm shout-outing it. Know what I'm saying? What? Yeah, shout out to Tanner. Fucking that guy, he's just been sitting around fixed a skateboard. He's been drinking booze and smoking cigarettes all week. And watching the boys, man. He's been, you know, there's been Raj, Kenneth Saya, shout out to you, shout out to Raj. Watching the boys. Now it's Tanner who's hard down on the boys. Trailer Park Boys for life, Megadeth for life. Fucking, here we go, right here, we got Pabst Blue Ribbon, the heart and pride of America here. Shout out to Mavericks 1. The chugger. This always reminds me of Mavericks 1 because he's shotgun one. And where's the deicide, man? Turn up the death metal. Turn up the death metal. Yeah. Alright. Pabst Blue Ribbon, shotgun. This one is for Mavericks 1. Cheers, man. And I think it's about time for another fucking fast beer chug with Rocky. I love that, man. Been watching him for years. Rugby. Woo! Oh yeah. Anyway, I got my list here. Or else I'd fucking forget everybody because I'm drunk. But anyway, shout out to Anthropophagus. Shout out to you, man. Crazy bastard. Get shit-faced. That's all I'm saying. Travis Adams, watching you for years. Or you've been watching me for years. I actually have a fucking picture I drew when I was shit-faced of this crazy bird, and then I wrote down some shout-out lists like this, and it has your name on it. It's fucking like 3 years old, or 2, who knows? Tinger! Tinger probably knows. Tinger, the only thing I'm gonna say to you is keep drinking, man. Don't let shit get you down. Alkies for life, brother. What else we got in here? Of course we got Ink Trash. Ink Trash, man. Get a fucking 40 in you and get a morning juice. Morning juice, man. Tinger. Man, Tinger, you can't leave. I just like saying Tinger so much. It's like Slayer, Slayer, Tanner. Shout out to Doomsday Tinger. Doomsday Danny. You got 40s for Powers in there. Cheers, man. This one's for you, 40s for Powers. Fucking old Milwaukee Ice, dude. Beautiful. God damn. What else we got? Shout out to Joe Skull, dude. You're awesome, man. We gotta get that black ice out to you soon. And it's coming, man. It's just in the Globe and Mail right now. It's probably subsiding over in Indonesia or something because we ship it internationally hardcore. You know what I'm saying? No, not really. But anyway. This one's for 40s for Powers, man. Cheers. 420. It's 320. One more month, boys. Weird. Alright, got a couple more here. So it's the Wild 40. Evil Ways. What's up, Evil Ways 101? I'm gonna fucking tape fucking 40s to my fan. Turn that shit on. Maybe I'll tape a couple full 12 ounces on him and see how long it takes for him to fucking explode. Give us a fuck. Shout out to Troy, man. That's all I got there. If it wasn't for that thing, I'd probably only give a shout out to Tinger, and that's about it. GSHELTV, Andy Corp, Storm Rising from the up, down, downtown, up and down around town. But anyway, Troy, check this out. I made some chili today. I know you love chili. Check that out. Got that going there. Look pretty good. I'd never made chili before. I'm not one to eat chili much, but it is good. It was crazy. I first turned this on. I was cooking up the meat, and all of a sudden, I just heard whoosh, and then I took the fucking pan off. Fucking flames shooting out of there, man. Fuck. The anthropophagus was like, damn. But anyway, it's not shotguns for Troy because we all know Troy's a man. Troy's a man with a plan. Reptilians for life. I'm a reptilian, man. No, I'm not. Maybe I am. I just don't know it yet. Wendy and Tilla went to score some drugs. Gave the money to the heroin man and got ripped off. Got frustrated. Started feeling real low. So I took her and shoved her in the drawer. Shout out to Gigi Allen. Shout out to Spock from Star Trek. The pointy ears and such, that fucking ugly ass motherfucker. Shout out to cyborgs everywhere, the fucking goddamn space police, the Uvu police, Xbox police, 721. But anyway, this is down for Troy. And peace out, guys, because Rugby's the man. Shoutouts and shotguns. It's been a long time. I don't make too many just random shoutout videos, but I felt like it was necessary. I got more, but fucking H-Strong, you got fucking B2M Greatest, man. I just seen he made a Plastic 40 video. He don't make videos anymore. Not much anyway. You got Rowshader, you got Toxic Swiller, Swillifornia, Todd Minus, TJ Hooker, DJ E, Mike York, fucking Black Poop Shadowsphere, you got fucking Tinger. I don't know, but you keep going on. But anyway, cheers, guys. Rugby. Peace out, guys. I got 3 on you, so what do you know about that? Probably everything. Peace. And drugs. And rock and roll.